Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to create Google account on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on users and accounts. From here, tap on add account and select Google. Then tap on create account. From here, just select for my personal use. Now in this section, just enter your first name. And in this section, just enter your last name. After you do that, then tap on next. Now from here, just enter your date of birth. After you enter your date of birth, then tap on gender and select your gender. After you do that, then tap on next. And from here, just choose your Gmail address. Now if you want to create your own Gmail address, just tap on create own Gmail address. And in this section, just enter your own Gmail address. After you create your own Gmail address, then tap on next. In this section, just create a password for your Gmail address. After you create the password for your Gmail address, then tap on next. Select save. From here, just select yes, I'm in. Tap on next. And tap on I agree. Now, as you can see, this is how you can create a Google account on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.